The alarm blares. You hit snooze, hoping for just 5 more minutes, but when you finally get up, your body feels heavy, your mind foggy. This is sleep inertia, the morning fog that can linger for hours. You stumble to the kitchen, desperate for something to kickstart your brain. It's not just tiredness, it's a lack of mental clarity that can sabotage your day. Even simple tasks feel overwhelming, and frustration builds before you've even started. Most of us reach for coffee, the ritual, the aroma, the promise of energy. For a moment, you feel ready to conquer the world. But soon after, the crash hits. Jitters, anxiety, and fatigue return. You chase another cup, then another, riding a roller coaster of highs and lows. This cycle disrupts your focus, productivity, and even your sleep. What if you could start your day with calm, sustained energy and sharp focus without the crash? Imagine a drink that nourishes your brain and sets you up for success all day long. It's time to step off the coffee roller coaster. There's a better way to start your morning. Let's discover it together. Your new morning begins now. I searched for a morning ritual that would wake me up and sharpen my mind. After much research, I found the perfect combination: my matcha lemon MCT elixir. 3 ingredients, matcha, lemon, and MCT oil, form a powerhouse for mental performance. Matcha is a finely ground green tea powder, packed with nutrients and antioxidants. Lemon juice adds a bright flavor and a boost of vitamin C for your brain and immune system. MCT oil derived from coconuts is a fast-acting fuel for your brain, converted into ketones for clean energy. Together, these ingredients create a synergistic effect, fueling your body and mind for hours. This isn't just a coffee substitute, it's a strategic upgrade for your morning. The vibrant green, zesty aroma and creamy texture make it a ritual you'll look forward to. It signals to your mind, you're ready for clarity, productivity, and sustained energy. This simple drink is my secret weapon. And now, it can be yours. Let's break down how it works. The magic of this elixir is pure science. Matcha contains L-theanine, an amino acid that promotes calm alertness. Unlike coffee's jolt, L-theanine smooths out caffeine's effects, preventing jitters. Matcha's caffeine is released slowly, giving you steady energy for 4-6 hours, no crash. MCT oil is rapidly converted into ketones, a clean fuel for your brain. Ketones enhance mental clarity, memory, and focus. Lemon juice boosts vitamin C and helps your body absorb matcha's benefits. Together, these ingredients clear away morning fog and provide stable, lasting energy. It's a formula designed to optimize your brain from the inside out. Calm, focused, and energized. That's how you'll feel. Now let's see the difference this makes in real life. Picture 2 mornings. The coffee drinker wakes up groggy, chugs coffee, and feels a quick rush. Soon the jitters and a racing heart set in. By mid-morning, energy crashes, brain fog returns, and productivity plummets. The cycle repeats: more coffee, more crashes, more fatigue. Now imagine starting your day with the matcha lemon MCT elixir. You prepare your drink mindfully, sip, and feel a gentle, steady awakening. No jitters, no anxiety, just calm focus. Your energy remains stable all morning, your mind clear and productive. There's no crash, just sustained performance. Complex tasks feel manageable, creativity flows, and you finish your day strong. You still have energy for your family and personal life. One path is a roller coaster, the other is a smooth ride to all-day focus. The choice is yours. Which morning do you want? The answer is simple. Choose clarity. Choose the elixir. Let me share Sarah's story. A busy mom, burned out and stuck in the coffee cycle. She relied on multiple cups just to function but always felt foggy and exhausted. I suggested she swap her first coffee for the matcha lemon MCT elixir. Skeptical but desperate, she tried it for a week. The first days were tough, but by day 3, everything changed. She felt clean, calm energy, her mind sharp, her focus steady. No afternoon crash, just all-day clarity. After work, she had energy for her kids and husband. She was present, engaged, and happier. This drink didn't just give me focus, it gave me my life back, she said. A small change, a big transformation. Upgrade your habits, upgrade your life. Sarah's story can be yours. Start your journey to all-day clarity. Matcha's popularity has brought myths. Let's clear them up. Not all matcha is equal. High-quality, ceremonial-grade matcha is vibrant green and smooth. Lower grades are dull and bitter. Invest in the good stuff. Preparing matcha is easy. You don't need fancy tools. Just dissolve the powder well, no harder than making coffee. Worried about caffeine? Matcha's L-theanine balances it so you get calm focus, not jitters. Most people sensitive to coffee do well with matcha. And the taste? Good matcha is smooth, rich, and slightly sweet, not bitter. Combined with lemon and MCT oil, it's delicious and satisfying. Don't let myths stop you from experiencing real matcha's benefits. Discover the difference for yourself. Ready to trade morning fog for all-day focus? Here's your recipe. You'll need 1 TSP high-quality matcha, 1 TBSP MCT oil, juice of half a lemon, and 8 ounces hot water, about 175 degrees Fahrenheit. Add matcha to your mug, pour in a little hot water and whisk into a smooth paste. Add the rest of the water, MCT oil, and lemon juice. Froth or shake until creamy and foamy. That's it, your brain-boosting elixir is ready. Savor the color, aroma, and taste. Make this your new morning ritual. Choose sustained energy, calm focus, and all-day clarity. Try it for a week. You'll feel the difference. Take control of your mornings. Take control of your day. Your focused life starts now.